Won't you take me home? Give me wings to fly. We can run away. Castle in the sky.
Hello guys, what's up? This is Inquisitive Galaxy and you are watching the brand new series of Natural Satellite. Today we have come up with our second video, first signature of space exploration. So let's begin. Since the dawn of civilization, humans were curious beings with a desire to explore the cosmos. The object that fueled curiosity and imagination since ancient times was our moon. She is ever beautiful, dotted with craters. As time rolled by, humans invented telescopes that opened their eyes into deep space. They saw the endless lunar craters, and many even believed that on the other side of the moon, alien civilization was growing. Then began a period of geopolitical tensions between the United States and the Soviet Union. It began in 1947. The reason why Cold War has been mentioned here is because this conflict gave rise to the space age. Both NASA and Roscosmos started working on launching satellites into orbit around Earth and Moon, landing on Moon, Mars and Venus. The Soviet Union achieved an early lead by launching Sputnik 1 in orbit around Earth on October 4, 1957. They also sent Yuri Gagarin into space on April 12, 1961, which gave them a significant lead. As a consequence, the Soviet Union sent Luna 2, which successfully impacted the lunar surface on September 14, 1959. Luna 3 orbited the moon in 1959 and provided the pictures of the far side and shattered the belief that extraterrestrial life thrived on the other side of the moon. On June 1966, the United States successfully landed their probe Surveyor 1 on the moon. The space race became further exciting when the 35th President of the United States, John F. Kennedy, declared that America was going to the moon within a decade. Then came the Apollo 8 missions, where astronauts Frank Borman, James Lovell, and William Anders became the first humans to leave low Earth orbit and orbited the moon and took images of Earth from there. Then came the legendary Apollo 11 mission.
Armstrong is on the moon. Neil Armstrong, 38-year-old American, standing on the surface of the moon. On this July 20th, 1969.
That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
The Apollo 11 astronauts brought back powdered lunar soil or regolith from the moon. The lunar soil was believed to be powdered because of the constant extraterrestrial bombardments. Apollo 11 created a hilarious history as well, since Buzz Aldrin was the first person who responded to nature's voice call in his spacesuit while being on the moon's surface. There are mechanisms in the spacesuit that collects all the outputs without creating a mess. Apollo 15 astronauts James Irwin and David Scott collected a rock sample that has an earthly origin. The moon's origin is still a debate among scientists. Chandrayaan-1 was India's first moon mission conducted by the Indian Space Research Organization or ISRO. The orbiter on November 2008 discovered water ice on the moon using the Moon Mineralogy Mapper. Chandrayaan-1 also had a lunar impactor that was included on the wish of India's former President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. On 25th September 2008, ISRO announced that the MIP, that is the Moon Impact Probe, had long discovered water on the moon's surface before NASA's Moon Mineralogy Mapper did. It was indeed a proud moment. Chandrayaan-1 was launched on 22nd of October 2008 by PSLV-XL rocket. Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter was NASA's first moon mission since the Apollo era. It helped in mapping the lunar surface in high-resolution 3D. It was launched on June 18, 2009. India's most ambitious project, Chandrayaan-2, was a planned orbiter, lander and rover mission. It was launched on 22nd July 2019 by the GSLV Mark III rocket. The lander was planned to make a soft landing on the lunar south pole, but we were not fortunate enough this time. 2 kilometers above the lunar surface, we lost contact with Vikram lander. As of now, the orbiter is still functional. NASA is planning to return back to the moon with its ambitious Artemis mission. Still today, after so many missions and so many findings, we still look up at the night sky and wonder about our place in this vastness. China's Chang'e 4 mission was a great success since it for the first time sprouted seeds of cotton on the far side of the moon. It was a great success for the scientists. So thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If yes, then give it a like and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.